What's good, guys? Today we have one of my favorite pairs of shoes that I recently picked up not too long ago. Here's another box that, if you're a sneakerhead and you don't know what this box is, then you doing something wrong. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna just go ahead and get into the review. So we have the We have the Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays. So, originally, what I'm saying, I'll show you these. They originally came out in 2001. This colorway is, simply named after, this pair is simply named after, the colorway. I have to do some cleaning up on them because I have worn them, but they release with the patent leather. Here we have the herringbone traction rubber outsole. You have the nubuck upper with the, they said this was some type of new lacing system that they was testing out with the shoe, and it actually, I like it a lot. Of course, you have the carbon fiber sheath here at the bottom and everything. I think this pair is really dope, man. I love these shoes. We have the 2010 pair right here. I know they came back out in 2021. Like I said, they was originally released in 2001. So, the shoe has been around for 20 years. And I will say, I'm not sure, if everybody agrees with me, but most should, hopefully. The Jordan 11s, man, is like one of those shoes that's, like a staple in the sneaker community. I'm still on the hunt for the Concords. I gotta get some Concords. I gotta get some Space Jams, and I definitely have to get the Breads. I like the new drinks, the Gratitudes, but I'm the type of person, if I can help it, I try to get like the OG pairs, or pairs that's older than the new stuff, because I just don't want to be wearing the same stuff as everybody else. Not knocking knocking what anybody else want to do or anything like that, but that's just my personal preference. So like I said, we have the Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays here, man. Like I said, just a beautiful shoe. I gotta do some little cleaning up, restore them and everything. I might ice these in a video or something. Let me know if y'all want like a, just a, icing video, and I'll definitely make that happen for sure. Thank y'all for sticking throughout this video, man. And you know, I appreciate the continued support. I believe that we are getting closer to getting monetized. You know, I've hit the 1,000 subscriber mark finally. You know, thank each and every one of you for that. Now I just have to get to that 4,000 watch hours. That seems like the craziest thing ever, but hey, that's the game that we play by, and you know, we're gonna make it happen. So thank you all so much. Continue to watch my videos, continue to support, and you know, I'll continue to put out content as well as do some more giveaways. And let's get out of here. Peace.